you guys, sorry about that. In my last video, I was trying to figure out the styling before and it just got cut off. But anyways, I just want to talk to you about resizing. So that's where we left off with the last video, and I was showing you how to do the font size here. Now, if you go here to your HTML and you go to HTML styles, that's going to help you with the next parts that I'm talking about. It could be changing your font colors. It could be changing, let's see, the font style. So here it says try for yourself, font size. So I'm going to do a practice one, and then you can go back and kind of practice the other concepts. But if you can get one of these down, then you can get the other patterns down too. Okay, so let's go ahead and do maybe the font family here. So it says try yourself, and I'm going to, let's see, maybe copy this. Control C. Let's go back to here. And where it says introduction, Control V. Okay, so my introduction was a H2, so I have to go back and change the H2 here. And where it says this heading, I'm going to change that to introduction. Or you could have just copied the style and name, and that would have worked too. So it just depends where you feel the most patient. But you see here, this did change here, and it's on the left side. So I have to go back and change the centering of that. So how I'm going to do that is right after where it says H1, so right before introduction, I'm going to type in center, and then right after introduction, backslash center. Okay, see HTML, and now it's back to center. And so if you have a different font style that you want to try out and that you're able to apply, then that's where you can also research it. So for example, this one, we can copy this title, and I'm going to go back to Verdana, replace that with the new one, see HTML, and it does change it. So you can go back and change that for this too. Okay, let's see. So we changed the background, we changed the font style. I showed you how to change the font size, and then centering we did, and then learning something new. So you can go back and just type in something that you would like that seems interesting to you. You can scroll down their list, or maybe even just look at your item and ask yourself, like, what would I like to see better on my web page? What would I like to add to it that I'm able to? So again, with CSS, you would be able to add like borders, and it would just look a lot better with being able to place items. But since we're working with what we have, just kind of play and just take the time to put this together. So let's go ahead and let's see. Maybe I want to try to add an emoji. So let's see, what are some codes that I would need for this? Okay, these look cool. Emojis are characters here. Okay, so let me try it for myself. And I think it would be something like this. Control C, and go back to here. And let's put an emoji right below or right after my name. Okay, let's try that out. It popped up. There it is. So what I'm going to be doing is, can you add the background? Can you change the font? Can you change the font size? Can you, if you want to change the colors of this, that's fine too. But hopefully that gives you a better understanding of how to go back in and just kind of place it in the right spot. So if you guys have any questions, just try to have fun with it. But let me know if you have any specific questions and I can come help you find the right code. But it's not really about getting it wrong or right. In this case, the best way to learn is if it doesn't work out the way that you thought it would, and then that'll help you get it to where you want it to get to. But really what I'm just checking for this week is that you try to add these items, and I should be able to find them on your code somewhere on there. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.